Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a real gem for all you hair enthusiasts out there, the Equinox hair cutting scissors. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why these scissors are creating quite a buzz in the world of hair care. First off, these are not your ordinary scissors. The Equinox hair cutting scissors are engineered to perfection, and here's why they're considered the best scissors for cutting hair. They come with a patented design that speaks for itself. Crafted from high-quality Japanese stainless steel, these scissors have precise blades with hand-sharpened razor-cutting edges. They're designed with your comfort in mind. Check out the curved finger rest and comfortable finger hole. Whether you're a salon professional, a barber, or even cutting hair at home, these scissors are a breeze to use. With an overall length of 6.5 inches and blades measuring 2.55 inches, these scissors are versatile. You can use them on men, women, the elderly, kids, and even babies. They're a must-have in any hair salon. At just 3.5 ounces, they're incredibly lightweight, making them easy to handle. Plus, they come with an adjustment screw, allowing you to fine-tune the tension to your preference. Now, let's get up close and personal with these Equinox hair cutting scissors. When you receive them, they come vacuum-packed in plastic casing and are coated with lubricating oil. Before the first use, it's essential to wash them with gentle soap and lukewarm water and dry them with a soft cloth. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. With over 48,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's clear that these scissors are a hit. Customers rave about how easy they are to use, their ergonomic design, and their maneuverability. Now, let's see how the Equinox hair cutting scissors compare to some other options in the market. We've got some alternatives here, but the Equinox scissors offer the perfect balance of quality and affordability. Speaking of affordability, you'll be delighted to know that these premium shears won't break the bank. With a list price of $28.79, they're now available for just $19.98. In conclusion, the Equinox hair cutting scissors are a game-changer in the world of hair care. With their patented design, ergonomic features, versatility, and affordable price, they're a cut above the rest. So, if you're ready to elevate your hair cutting game, click the link in the description to get your hands on these fantastic scissors today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.